Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho Assist. So let's get into it. First of all, you can create your own account, or you can just sign in if you already have an account on Zoho. Now I'm going to use my Google account, and I'm going to pick this account. Now let's skip this for now. Just give it a couple of seconds. And this is how your Zoho Assist will look like. So basically you have here this top menu, which contains remote support, unattended access, meeting, reports, and on the left you will have more options for each tab. So for the first tab, which is remote support, we have home, service queue, and contacts. In home, you can do one of two options. The first one is that you can access remote screen, in which you send your customer an invitation that you will be able to control his own remote screen. This is done by creating or writing this account from here. You can also start now, or you can schedule it to another time. The other option is to share your own screen in case you are giving a tutorial or a webinar. However, this choice is only available for paid subscriptions. So by going to access remote screen, you can write the email of your own customer. Then you can start now, or you can just schedule to another time, which is only available in the paid subscription. Here you can use a title, description, then you can choose the time zone, choose date, time, and you can also set a reminder to notify you before the session or the schedule of the session. Next is the service queue, which is also available for only paid subscriptions. In general, service queue is like an automatic customer service that you can provide to your own customers. Next is the contacts tab, in which it shows you all the contacts you've got. So if you want to add contacts to this tab, you can add contacts from here, or you can import your contacts. So if I chose to add contacts, I will have to insert all this information manually. And by submitting, my contact will appear here. I can also add new contact from here. I can choose to create manually or to just import this contact, and I will have three options. I can choose Google Contacts, I can use Zoho CRM, or I can upload my own contacts in CSV file. By going back to your contacts, you can see here that by navigating to any contact, you have the two options of remote support or screen share. Next tab is the unattended access, which is also available for only paid subscriptions. Here, as you can see, that you can send a deployment link to your own contacts. Afterwards, you can access bulk deployment, which gives you the chance to control multiple remote screens for your own customers. And finally, here you have installer, which you can download to help you and facilitate this process for you. Here also you have tools which can help you to diagnose and troubleshoot the problems which face your customers. Next is the deployment. Here you can see your own dashboard and devices which you can manage. And finally, the settings of your unattended access. Next tab is meeting tab, in which you can schedule either meeting in case you want to meet with your own participants about something which needs discussion, or you can just go and build or create a webinar in which you will mainly discuss a specific topic to your own customers. You can also meet now, or you can schedule. So if I chose to schedule, for example, here you can see all these details that you need to insert. You will have to insert title for the meeting. You will have to choose whether it's video or audio conferencing. You can also choose the date and time and duration, time zone. You can also choose host. You can choose yourself or one of your teammates so that you can assign hosting to another teammate. You can also mention the participants and the agenda of the meeting. And once you are done, you can press on schedule and it's all set up. Just as easy as that. And here you can see all the information. You can start meeting immediately, you can edit it, or you can just cancel the whole meeting by clicking on cancel meeting here. Here you can see the upcoming meetings. Since I already canceled the one I created, you will not find anything here. And here you will find your history or the past meetings. You can also go and access on webinars here. You can see your calendar in which you can create the same meetings or webinars by just double clicking on any date you want. So if you want to create a webinar, for example, on 15 December, you can just go and choose the time you want, then double click, and here you will be able to schedule a meeting or a webinar, and you will be able to insert all these information. You will also need to insert co-organizers, registration, engagement, emails, preferences, and promote your own webinar. You can also go to files in which you can transcript all the meetings or webinars you've got. You can go to analytics to see insights and key metrics of your own meetings and webinars. You can also go to users here. And finally, you can go to settings in which you can control the settings of your own meeting. Next is reports, in which you can find the reports including your own Zoho Assist performance. So here it's also a paid version that you can access this reporting. You can also access remote support, unattended access, dial-in reports, custom report, or scheduled report. You can also have more than a department. Here I only have my department here. You can access on files from here. You can see your downloads from here. You can access on settings from here, or your profile settings from here. Finally, you can contact customer service so that they will help you to troubleshoot any problem you've got, and you can just collapse this to have bigger interface so that it will be clearer. You can also access on your chats, your channels, add your contacts from here. You can also chat with our experts, which is also a customer service from here. So you have two options to contact customer service, either by going to contact us or chat with our experts. We can also see paid subscriptions so that you can choose the plan if you want to go paid or subscribe. This is done by going to buy now here, and you will be able to see all the plans. Let's just wait for it to load. Here you can see different plans. So basically you can access 15 days free trial. No credit card will be required from you. You can also see the pricing of each plan in your currency or in dollars. So basically we have remote support and unattended access. We have 3 plans in here and 2 plans in there. You can also see all the features and compare them to find what is the most suitable plan for you. And this is how easy you can manage your own customer service using Zoho Assist. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.